Start taking this top off now, and we can see these bricks are broken through, so we're going to change it over. Yeah. Okay, we'll take this off and renew this, and this side is closed off, as you can see. So it's a cold January day, Audley, Staffordshire, and as you can see, quite cold, but we've got some special cement, special stuff that you put in the cement to make it waterproof and to make it resilient to frost. Okay, you can see it's all loose, so I'm gonna have to rebuild it. It's a right mess. So this top course, a few courses, I'll build it back up. Okay. Right, we've closed the chimney off here using slate, and because that's closed off now, it needs an air brick in, which I have put in on the side here to allow air to flow around in that closed off cavity. Now we're going to cap it. I'm mixing the pointing now, 3 of sand, 2 of lime, 2 of cement, and I put some frost proofer accelerator in it, you can see there, and that should help to stop it freezing because today is very cold. The mortar is a good consistency, you can see it's nice and stiff, and I mixed with warm water the frost proofer in, and it's good 3-in-1 mix. Sand, lime and cement. You just see me mix it. But I've got various tools you can use. There's a pointer. You can use this kind of flat or special pointer. Pushes it right in. Right, the 10mm one. And you can use a jointer. Have different size jointers. A large jointer, some people like to use the large one, then a medium one. Okay, I'm really using this because I like this, it really pushes it into the joints. You see nicely. There we go, it just gets it right into the joint. What you find, this is what the Victorians used to use a lot with line pointing. It's a special striking tool. It gets it right in. This is ground out to 25mm deep. Here you go. I'm not really going very fast. I don't need to. Just showing you how these joint up. The other is this jointer, so that's how it goes in. Again, you can do the same. You can cut it in like so. It gets in, it doesn't get it in as far, and rounds it, gives a different shape. And then you've got then you can use your pointing trowel, which to be honest, it's weather struck. There you go, and you can do your perps first. There you go, you tuck it in, strike it down like that, and that gives it a wedge. Lets the water run off. You get it on your joint, like on your trowel like that, and then strike it. Only today I'm using this. I just find that you can tuck it straight in. Incidentally, this is flexible. get them very stiff, some of them. This one's nice and flexible, bends, which I like. So make sure when you get them, get a bit of flex in them.